Alright, so we got the airbox off, and the filter is all but mud, so probably not going to do any sort of cafe racer pod filter. Probably just throw a K&N on there. Toolbox is shot, so we'll have to separate those and get a new one and clean that up. So I noticed we never got a key for this, and when I took the ignition cylinder out, it came right out, wasn't connected to anything, and it appears, where is it at? There, you got your red to black. So they just, no toggle, no interrupter at all. They just put it always on. So I don't know how this coil is gonna be. We might have to replace it, but we'll see. Should be fine, maybe. Who knows? This thing didn't have a battery in it when we got it, so throw a toggle in there until we can get the right cylinder ordered, and when we do our testing. If I can get Sean up, we'll probably take off the exhaust next. Probably remove the rest of the wire loom and sort that out as far as the schematic goes. Slowly but surely.